let's just ignore the fact that I'm looking like a complete bum. I've been editing all day. Alright, let's go. Hello there, my name is Jess, and if you are new to my channel, I make very fun, very helpful, and very creative videos. Spirit fingers right now. For anyone and everyone with naturally, I had to burp, with naturally curly hair like this, but mine's is looking kind of ratchet right now. Oh, not ratchet, it's just not looking good right now. So yeah, we're gonna keep it under this hat. So today's video, as you guys can see the title, I'm doing another week in my hair. I know a lot of you guys enjoy this, especially because I'm starting to do it like vlog style, so I'm creeping in a little vlogs for you guys just to see how you're reacting to it, because you know, like I said, I've been debating whether I should start like doing more personal stuff on this channel or just make a whole different channel, which that's a whole nother video, because I think I decided what I'm gonna do. Pretty much on the week of my hair videos, I take you guys throughout my week and just show you guys how my hair is from the morning to night, what I do to it when I'm going out, what I do to it when I'm working out, what I do to it after I film a video, so you guys get some behind the scenes stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much what you guys are gonna be seeing, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm trying to hurry up so I can just plug this into my computer and upload this, so now you're watching it. So yeah, obviously, what am I saying? I don't know. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get it started right now. My hair is co-washed. It really needs to be washed, but tomorrow's Sunday and Sundays are typically my wash days, so I was just like, what the heck, I would just try to do something that doesn't require all of my hair to be out. So I'm debating if I should do like a slicked back ponytail or if I should do a half up half down hairstyle. I think I'm gonna just go with half up half down hairstyles because I just like the way my head looks, and then my head is, it's like a long oval shape, and I just think that half up half down hairstyles flatter my face. Well, hello you beautiful person watching this video. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I just woke up. I know I didn't just wake up. I decided not to even touch my hair because I wanted to show you guys a realistic image of how I look when I wake up, and this is it. Yeah, I know some of you guys are probably looking just like this while you're watching this video. Yeah, I see you. So it's okay, don't judge. So I usually will wash my hair on Sundays, but yesterday was my cousin's birthday and I just had a lot of stuff going on this past weekend, so I honestly didn't have any time to wash my hair. I'm just gonna quickly wash it today before I have to go to work, and then I'm gonna deep condition it with this new deep conditioner that I just received from a brand. Yes guys, I finally am working with a brand, my first brand ever. But yeah, I'm just gonna zoom through this part. I'm gonna wash my hair really quick. I'm gonna deep condition it. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so it is Tuesday, and as you guys can see, I'm looking glammed up because I filmed a video today. I just woke up early before work and did this protective style. It is so cute. I love it so much. Okay, I gotta go. couple shots. Okay, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's so weird talking to you guys through. Wait, no, I should probably be looking at the camera. Yeah, okay, there we go. I'm about to head to work. My hair, I did wrap it up last night. As you can see, I just did not record it. I was supposed to be recording it, but I was so tired last night after I worked out. Yeah, so I just wrapped my hair up. I still have my style in. For you guys, if you guys have tried out this hairstyle and want to keep it in all week, you can definitely keep it in all week. But for the sake of this video, I'm trying to try different things because honestly, I could keep this style in all week if I wanted to, but it will be pointless like a week in my hair because it would just be the same thing every day. So I'm just experimenting for the sake of the video. You could leave your hair out like this. This would be a cute protective style. I mean, it's not protective anymore, but this would be cute for you to rock. But because I don't really like how my hair looks, like I said, I really need my ends trimmed really badly. So I'm just going to wrap it up into a little bun like that. It's kind of the same as how it looked, but my bun is a little more voluminous. And then I did have this little curly out, but I don't even feel like refreshing these. And I'm just gonna not even touch up. I'm in a rush. I need to head to work. I'm running late, so I'm not even gonna worry about my baby hairs or these little extra hairs. I just tuck them behind my ears and we're just gonna go. And then I'm gonna change, of course. I don't know where my third jewel went, so we're just gonna have to go with this. Oh, I found my third jewel. Hey there. Hey boo. Hey boo boo. Okay. Today is Thursday. I am about to do a hairstyles video. Hence my beat face. My scarf smells good. Okay, I need to stop doing that. I have an issue. I really need to stop doing that to my scarves every time. That's so weird. Okay, I know I'm weird. If you guys haven't figured that out by now, then you must be new. You must be new. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Jess and I am very weird. So if you're weird too, you're on the right channel, okay? So I'm about to do another protective hairstyle, but I wanted to come on here and take down my hairstyle and show you guys how it looks taken down. Wow. Kind of bald, but I'm not. So what's on the agenda today? I do not have work. That's amazing. I have a day off other than YouTube, so I am gonna be filming today. So right now I'm just going to do my baby hairs. I had a scarf on. You guys know my satin scarf that I always wear, the gray one. I had that on, and do something to the back of this. That's gonna be that. Do my friend's hair. Have I done your hair before?
No.
Let me tell you guys something. Like I'm kind of guilty for this, but I mean I'm good at doing my hair, but I'm just not used to doing other people's hair, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Hey! So my hair is looking very dull and lifeless. So I took down my twisties. Sorry I didn't film that part. I kind of had a late start to this morning, so I was like rushing. When am I not rushing? That's bad. My hair is, I just co-washed it because I'm gonna be filming. I have today off as well. and I work tomorrow, so I wanted to take this whole day to wash clothes, clean, and film. I just wanted to come and update you guys, but I just co-washed it just so I don't have as much gel build up when I'm doing my hair. So that's the plan. Just gonna be filming all day. I'm filming protective hairstyles, and I think that's gonna be all for Saturday. Now I just messed it up, so I look crazy. Okay, bye. Now we have made it to the last day of this week. I may end up washing my hair when I come back. I actually have work today, which is surprising because I don't usually have work on Sundays, but I just picked up these extra hours just to help out a family. I gotta be there at 12:30 and I'm gonna be staying there until about 7, I think. Sorry, there's stuff in the background. My family is here, so I'm trying to like hurry up. So if I feel like it, I'll wash my hair when I come back, and then I'll probably do a little snippet of that. Or if not, I'll wash it tomorrow. But yeah, so today will be the last day that you guys see me. And right now, I did some protective hairstyles yesterday. This is not how it really is. It looked a little different, but you guys will see what I'm talking about when I post the video. But so I just wanted to take out my braids because they actually feel really dry. And I wanted to take it out on camera just to show you guys like how a protective style could like look when you take it out if it's dry. Like, it's not the best braid out because I did this very quickly and it was just for demonstration, but I'm actually surprised at how it turned out. This would be like a cute hairstyle. This is Sunday's hair, I guess, unless I decide to wash my hair, and then that's the case, you guys will see me again. But thank you for watching this video. And sorry, I've been taking so many breaks. I promise, like, once I'm just keep liking, keep supporting me. It'll just help me get to, you know, being able to be full-time. And I keep saying that because that's my end result. Eventually I want to be full-time on YouTube, and it's a little hard a lot with my schedule. So best thing I could say is you guys to keep watching my videos, supporting me, liking me, following me on other social medias, so I can be able to afford to go full-time, so I can give my all to you guys and post a lot more. So yeah.